There's actually one ultimate app that allows you to get thousands of live TV channels completely free and in one organized spot. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get any Fire TV device to look something like this with nicely organized channels. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're tired of having to scroll through every individual app just to find one specific channel, this is definitely the video for you. You've probably noticed on your Fire TV Stick or Cube, the live section. Today, I'm going to explain that to you. We all know we have so many streaming apps today, everything from Prime Video, Pluto TV, Plex, and so many more. The live TV function that Amazon has worked on is actually pretty refined. It's the best way to get everything all in one. Basically, what Amazon's done here is create a central hub. The first thing you want to do is click on Guide right here. They've taken all the channels from the apps and worked with these companies to add them directly into this Fire TV guide. This way, all the channels from every single app are inside this one spot and really easy to access at any point. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. First, click that little 3 horizontal line button on your remote. That is going to pop up a side-scrolling menu. You'll see options to remove from favorites or manage your channels. Favoriting a channel just puts it near the top. It's just a way to access your favorite content much quicker. But today, we're going to be going over mostly how to add channels and manage the ones you already have. This shows what channels you have connected so far. For me, I have my Prime Video, Plex, and News channels connected. You can easily move the source between apps just by using the prompts they give you to sort them near the top. Now, I did promise you thousands of channels, so let's go over exactly how you're going to do that right now. Press those 3 horizontal lines again, and we want to click on Add Channels to open up a new menu. At the top, it shows what's available in your guide right now. These are the apps already downloaded on your device. While some need subscriptions, as you scroll down, you'll see a huge list of free apps available to add. For our first example, we're going to take Pluto TV. I'll show you how easy it is to set this up. Clicking on it brings you directly into the App Store. It's just a convenient shortcut to get the app installed. Go ahead and download it. Once it's done installing, you can click that Open button to pull the app open. Now, when we go back to our guide and check Manage Channels, you'll see Pluto TV is now active and ready. In my case, Pluto TV is active with 62 channels. This number will change depending on which country you're in. Now you can scroll through all these channels in one place, neatly organized and super easy to access. It even tells you which app each channel is from at the top, so you can customize your experience exactly how you like. I'm in Canada, so our amount of live TV apps is a bit less than the US, which probably has the most options. But here's a pro tip. You can actually change your Fire TV Stick country to the United States to unlock even more apps. I've created a full guide on how to do that, so check that out next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.